Wise Guys Cooking is brought to you by Everson Spice, Restora Concrete Designs, Catalina Express, and Bonded Roofing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's Frankie.
How did you start in show business?
You know, I look for the American dream. I opened up the first bagpipe discount store in Chicago. My wife, she was an angel. She worked at 3 jobs. You know where they got the pole and they dance a little bit? So, she helped me a lot.
Costelli's is celebrating its 30-year anniversary this year. And it's a milestone because one is when I opened 30 years ago, I sat 30 people. And through the years and the support of the Coachella Valley, I've been able to expand 3 times.
Well, you know, it's very strange. I feel like I'm Frank Sinatra. I walk like Frank. I talk like Frank. I sing like Frank. I've even got blue eyes like Frank. That is strange.
Everybody loves somebody sometimes. Everybody falls in love somehow.
It's good to see you. What's that?
You know, I got a lot of problems. You know, I think I'm Rodney Dangerfield. I get no respect, you know?
And laughed before and loved before, but who knows where or when.
We'll be right back.
Let's introduce our first cook, Frankie Cherry Nose Monteforti.
My special gift. It's going to be broken leg of lamb.
Okay. Why don't you show them how you got your name, Jelly Legs?
I'd be glad.
In the mood for some real Italian today? Then stop by either of our locations in Palm Springs or Palm Desert. Whether you want a handcrafted sandwich from our deli counter or a garden-fresh salad for lunch, the Real Italian Deli is a real find.
Let's have a big warm welcome for Tony, the Godfather DiGiolando.
I'm Tony Pomponio, and I am so happy to be here in Southern California at one of the most famous Italian restaurants, El Corso. We're going to go in and meet with Chef Mario Marfia and his staff, and they're going to cook us a great meal. A little bit more sauce.
Okay. With this sauce of the osso buco. It's very nice in the price for the bar.
Beautiful,
nice.
chef. So this is on your bar menu.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Beautiful osso buco.
Welcome to Wise Guys Cooking. My name is Rebecca Romano. This is my Uncle Frank.
Hello.
For over 26 years, La Donna Cucina Italiana has offered the very finest old world Italian favorites. Come soak in our sophisticated atmosphere while dining on delicious, authentic favorites. In fact, we've been named the best Italian restaurant in Palm Desert for 3 years running.
We're talking about Wise Guys Cooking. Remember, you can catch all of today's guests on Wise Guys Cooking right here on NBC Palm Springs every Sunday at 11:30. A big thanks to Rocco and the rest of the gang for appearing on today's show, and a big thanks to you. Make sure you check them out. And guess what? That wraps up the edition of Desert Living. Have a great day. We will see you soon.